Just shit.
One trip, just two's for pussies. Jeez.
Manifold.
You do need a manifold.
Yeah, because I'm not getting that out of it.
Well, no, not when it's that red hot.
Christ.
Lick it.
What do you mean red hot?
Lick it.
It's not red.
It is.
It's just it's just smoking a little bit.
It was. It's fine. It's not a big deal.
What are you looking at?
Looking at the one part of the exhaust that's missing.
Oh, that's not
Just
good.
was unbolted.
I took the one out, you took the one out.
It is hitting right here. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, but
I don't know. I just was looking for the part that's missing, not.
well, I don't.
We are heading over to the body shop because we dropped off the 2023 Cummins with only 50 kilometers there yesterday, and the guys were going to get it into the shop this morning and start assessing the damage and figure out what actually we have to do bodywork wise to be able to fix the truck. Wasn't really a lot of damage on it. Like I said in the previous video, I think that this truck got damaged on the delivery truck because it only has 50 kilometers on it, and just where the damage was didn't really make sense how it could get into an accident and hit it up that high on the rear door, but you never know. I guess things happen. So we're just gonna head down to the body shop and check up on the guys and see how they're making out with the truck. And cut into the door the other day to be able to get into it, and we replaced that back door already. And then I think we actually ended up ordering another new door for the front door.
Yeah, it was marked up.
Yeah, it was just, yeah, like slight markage on it, and I think we found one, like a new takeoff, so we're just gonna replace that too. And then it's just that upper cab corner that needs to be actually fixed.
And we got to see what they're going to do with that because it was so close to that back glass.
Yeah.
Right? So
I expect, yeah, they're gonna they've probably removed the back glass and then are gonna replace that just that upper section, but we'll see what they have to say when we get there, see actually what it looks like when they've gotten it taken apart, probably by now for sure.
There's boss. Go on.
Gangster wheels on it.
Huh?
You got gangster wheels on it.
no, I forgot all about my buddy. Yeah.
Not you.
5100, bro.
Yeah, no, we're coming to see what you're doing to Bob.
I'm fixing it. It's still not done yet, but
You're not done?
Hi everybody.
What are you doing? Just waiting to see if this is gonna burst or not. Slowly.
excuse me.
Holy. You already got pulled out quite a bit, eh?
I honestly didn't want to put a new one.
No?
It just, you have to take the glass out, you have to burn
Well, that's what
things.
I thought you were gonna have to take the glass out for sure.
Oh no, you have to if you change the piece.
Yeah, no. But
prefer
you
not
want to
to.
do it without, yeah.
I'll take a couple more hours and it'll be good.
Yeah. new front door?
I think we're getting a new
Yeah. So just replace that and then fix the fender. Fix that.
Well, yeah, most of it out.
It's pretty damn close, yeah, already. But you just started this morning, right?
Yeah. Well, I got the light on, okay. Ow! Into the mouth. So here it's okay from here up.
Yep.
Like 7, 8 inches. I have to pull it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Like
It's
probably
still in quite a bit.
3
Yeah.
millimeters or so. 4.
Yeah. That's still warm, eh?
No, I cut myself.
Oh. I thought it was hot. I think it got damaged on the delivery truck. It's only got 50 kilometers on it. Yeah.
And 2 blocks.
Yeah. Like, I don't know how it would have gotten in an accident. Well, it could with 50 kilometers, but being that high too, like, it just doesn't make sense.
It looks white, right? Whatever touched it looks white.
They're exact same truck, but
Same place.
came from the same place too, so something obviously happened, but yeah, you can see like this, well, up here has,
Because this is guaranteed somebody dropped and went down.
yeah,
There's
right
no
there.
way a car is gonna hit. If it would have been a wall or something, it'll be down right?
Yeah,
Scratch.
well yeah, it's scratched down, yeah.
Yeah, so it,
Yeah, true enough.
or I could have flipped it, kind of flipped it.
Tipped it on its side.
I'll probably done with this border tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna get a new door, so it won't take very long.
Door, and then we gotta decide on the fender, if we're fixing that fender or we got another fender, but, so that's another half a day,
Before.
maybe, yeah. So it's not gonna be that long and we're gonna wrap it up. And
Might as well put this on now.
I wanna drive this truck. It's brand new. It's only gonna, like, you're thinking it's only a few extra hours to use that original piece, but at least you don't have to take the window out and it's the original piece, and you're gonna get it like as close to,
Metal finish, no metal finish. But
yeah. Yeah. So yeah, he's just welding on those eyelet tabs that he can now pull with the chain system here to be pulling that out, and we're going to use the factory panels and just repair it what's there actually. So didn't have to take the back glass out. Might take a few extra hours to actually do it this way, but at least it's original, and it'll be good as new. Probably by tomorrow it'll be finished up. So
Boss is rushing you.
No problem. What's that, too?
You're welding. And you're video. I mean, it's great. You're good.
They're going great, too.
Keep going.
you gonna be here at 10?
Well, you bring the coffee though.
Oh, I might be able to bring coffee tomorrow.
Alright.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, see you in the morning, guys.
It says it's a 4Runner, but
I don't know. It was an SUV once. It had like a big thing that came up to here, and when he bought it, it was already cut off.
oh really?
Yeah.
So it's
He
like,
put a bigger glass in it.
that's out of a cap.
Yeah.
That is.
That's awesome,
That's
eh?
a cap class.
Yeah.
But
Custom.
this is a tailgate, or
No, that's the original tailgate.
yeah, how do you get into the thing? Key.
Mm-hmm.
So this is
And
like
this is
in
homemade
the
too.
SUV.
This is homemade too.
Well, yeah, I can see just
Right?
yeah.
Just cut a little piece
Got
out.
a trifold into a bifold.
Yeah.
Huh. I didn't know that. Well, I seen that it says 4Runner, but I've seen it also doesn't.
Is that a
make sense.
4Runner?
It's custom.
No, what kind of vehicle is it?
Did it start at?
I think it was a 4Runner.
Yeah. Like it looked like an SUV, right?
Yeah.
First, now it looks like a
Oh
truck.
yeah. Yeah. It's different.
Every single time I'm down here, I look at it. Every single time. So
The other
on camera, that is seamless.
What?
The way that roof just folds into the cap.
Yeah, I know.
That's just perfect. There's like. Okay, let's
roll.
leave. Let's
Let's
get out
roll.
of here.
Yeah.
We going back to shop.
Yeah, I got work to do.
Go check up on the other guys. We're gonna race them.
Oh.
We're gonna race them. What a rebel. What a rebel. Look at this guy just over there waiting.
All right, we're just heading back to the shop. We just went over what Fabricio is going to do to repair this truck. We now know that we are going to use the original upper cab corner section and just repair it, so he doesn't have to take the back glass out. And he said it's going to take a little bit more time labor wise, but it's going to be fixed properly then. And yeah, so tomorrow we're going to go back and check up, see how much progress he's made then, but he said it should be done within the next couple days.
Where are we stopping?
We're stopping at 2 Extreme Signs and Graphics just up the road because I got some shirts made and they're done. Well, I got some shirts made a few weeks ago, but then they made a couple more, so I'm just picking them up.
They know we do this. You think they're gonna be fine with the camera in there?
Yeah,
I think they would.
why not?
I don't know. Let's try it.
Yo!
Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi.
Oh, just living it. Just living life.
I just knew I needed to stop here, but I was busy last couple days, so.
Okay, okay. You're stopping for the shirts.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. Shirts are in this box right here. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of slipped my mind like twice, so I apologize.
No big deal.
Oh,
Sweet.
beauty.
Sweet.
Yep.
That's the guys. Okay. How's things going? Busy as hell still?
Not too bad. Shop's really busy, but yeah.
Yeah, I know. We've noticed. Yeah, world's a little weird right now. Yeah, no, some people are just getting updating trucks every 3 months, and then there's others that can't get a truck for 3 years.
Yeah.
Or me, 8. I can't. It's got 311 on that 4Runner, and I just can't see myself buying anything right now.
Well, yeah, to replace that, you're.
Oh yeah, I'm starting over what? That's a limited, so I'm what, 60 some?
Oh yeah, I would expect you're even more
More,
than that, probably. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, from far it looks good.
Yeah, from here.
Yeah, get in there, you might see a couple things. We got a little
But
bit of
still,
rust
though,
on
you're
it.
gonna like to spend 70 grand. And
Yeah, Yeah. Well, no, I used to have a Tundra.
All right.
All right, cool.
Yep.
Thanks, Phil.
Yeah, thank you guys.
We just picked up some t-shirts for the guys in the shop. Phil did them up at 2 Extreme Signs and Graphics. They also do some vinyl and tint there too as well. So they do a great job, and we use them for a lot of the projects that we got going on here, and yeah, we highly recommend them.
And now where are we?
Now we're at the shop. We just pulled in, and there's a guy I sold a truck to, and we're gonna park this truck back on the lot somewhere, and then we're gonna get back to work.
Just short.
One trip, 'cause two's for pussies.
It's like when you get home from the grocery store.
Yeah.
I need to carry everything. One.
That's a great one. Hit the air on. Now, middle.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait till people are reacting.
Who's counting? 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
I took first time I'm here and we got it done. You guys a pansy?
That's pretty fun.
Oh yeah. I took 4 of them.
Yeah. I wasn't sure it was just getting here. Or...